حدثنا موسى بن إسماعيل قال حدثنا أبو عوانة قال حدثنا موسى بن أبي عائشة قال حدثنا سعيد بن جبير عن ابن عباس في قوله تعالى لا تحرك به لسانك لتعجل به قال كان رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم يعالج من التنزيل شدة وكان مما يحرك شفتيه فقال ابن عباس فأنا أحركهما لكم كما كان رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم يحركهما. وقال سعيد أنا أحركهما كما رأيت ابن عباس يحركهما. فحرك شفتيه فأنزل الله تعالى لا تحرك به لسانك لتعجل به إن علينا جمعه وقرآنه قال جمعه له في صدرك وتقرأه فإذا قرأناه فاتبع قرآنه قال فاستمع له وأنصت ثم إن علينا بيانه ثم إن علينا أن تقرأه. فكان رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم بعد ذلك إذا أتاه جبريل استمع فإذا انطلق جبريل قرأه النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم كما قرأه.
Narrated said bin Jubair, Ibn Abbas in the explanation of the statement of Allah move not your tongue concerning the Quran, to make haste therewith. 75.16 said Allah's Messenger used to bear the revelation with great trouble and used to move his lips, quickly, with the inspiration. Ibn Abbas moved his lips saying, I am moving my lips in front of you as Allah's Messenger used to move his. Said moved his lips saying, I am moving my lips, as I saw Ibn Abbas moving his. Ibn Abbas added, so Allah revealed move not your tongue concerning the Quran, to make haste therewith. It is for us to collect it and to give you, O Muhammad, the ability to recite it, the Quran, 75.16-17, which means that Allah will make him, the Prophet, remember the portion of the Quran which was revealed at that time by heart and recite it. The statement of Allah, and when we have recited it to you, O Muhammad through Gabriel, then you follow its Quran recital, 75.18, means listen to it and be silent. Then it is for us, Allah, to make it clear to you, 75.19, means then it is for Allah to make you recite it, and its meaning will be clear by itself through your tongue. Afterwards, Allah's Messenger used to listen to Gabriel whenever he came, and after his departure he used to recite it as Gabriel had recited it.